You know we're back. So and Kana are resting in a corner. You okay, Kana? I don't want to put any burden on Kana. I'll keep checking on her from a distance. Pussy punk bitches! Thomas Dubois from Boondocks. In the episode with the chicken. The chicken. Can I... I'm just gonna check. I don't think there's anything. Oh! God damn! Okay. What an eye-searing color. If you want to search, do as you please. I won't assist, but I won't impede either. Nothing. Okay. It's hard to see in the dark. Okay, fine. I wish they'd just be like, I don't have time to look for anything here. See the kitchen. We're just doing a sweep. We're going to... Do we go to the... Okay, I guess so. She didn't fall down this large hole, surely. Come to think, where's this hole even go to? I would like to believe she's safe. Arguing. Y'all don't have anything to say about any of this. Fine, fine, fine. Yeah, nothing to talk about there. Oh, what? What's this? Isn't this me? It's a spitting image. It's like I'm looking at a mirror. Ugh. Our enemy's got some wild hobbies, huh? Right? It's eerie how detailed it is. Yet I can't look away from that intricateness. It's amazing. But when was this made? You couldn't pull this out without a lot of long, detailed observation. Thank you, Malware Bites. Who could accomplish such a thing? Oh. What's up? I don't remember. KG, I want to know your perspective. What do you think about Kai? Guy's no ordinary person, for sure. His eyes are dead, for one. Just like Mr. Policeman here. Sorry. Just like Mr. Policeman here. Do you think he's a bad person? Dunno. Everybody's got good parts and bad parts, right? Look, you just do what you can, Sarah. For now, we'll take this doll along. Yikes. Will you talk to me about why? That's fucked. Okay. Look at it, this is creepy. We are going up. Now! Where'd you go? Hey, now that's a shout. Keep searching like that. No! God, not in my ear, dumbass. Shout away from me. Super sorry. That's cute, I love. Can't proceed. Did Miley vanish past here? Something. Oh, god damn it. I'm sorry, I just want to go in. I want to click it. 2 symmetrical rooms, huh? Seems like you're kind of puzzled, Sarah. Oh, might be another scary trap, meow. Better be careful. We're all together, Geen. It's okay. Space. Flip it. Okay. Yeah, that's creepy as hell, right? We don't have the lighter. Wallpaper, tear. What? Sun movement in another room. Spray this. Hey, I did pretty good here. Oh, okay. We're gonna try this one. Looks like it's a spa. Our enemies offer some pretty good amenities. That's gonna be hard. Enemies offer pretty good amenities. That's true. If there's hot water, we could get enough moisture to live for days. Feels like you could stay positive while the whole world's ending, Sarah. Oh, he was unhappy. His face was unhappy about that. Give me this. I must resist for now. Ugh. Can I talk to the penguin? What's this? Okay, we're gonna go to the other. I think it's this one. Yes. There's something. Must be something. Oh well. Does this do everything that we need? Yes. Good work out there. What? Clearly affects the doll. Good work out there, me. What did I do? What's wrong with it? Oh! There's a light problem. Can't reach it. Want to ride on my shoulders? Yes. Sure, please do. Hey, I was half joking, but alright. Lift me, bitch. Thank you very much. Yeah. Just like, why isn't it sexual? I like her. I wonder. Piggyback, please. Well, it's only logical. That should be the answer. It's only logical. There, you did good. Mr. Policeman's not a dog. Yes, he is. Maybe I'm a little tired. What is wrong? A man shot to death. Man's baiting was shot. I feel like something's missing, but I don't. Oh, the mirror blurrily reflects the doll. Spray it. Right? Fix it. You whore. Okay. Fine. I think it's this one. I'm not right, alright. Alright? I'm not right, alright. It won't work. See? Combine this shit. Oh! Maybe we have to make it blurry? That's stupid. Fine. It won't come off. Now everything in this room is symmetrical. I love that. It's so satisfying somehow. Something Something outside the room moved. Way to go, Sarah. Let's take a look outside. Oh, she disappeared! The passage is open. Oh, God. Oh my God. Okay, none of those for this one. A key. It's got a tag, meow. The key to the kitchen, huh? Come to think of it, the kitchen is the only place on the first floor we haven't been. Since the key's here, now shouldn't have been able to get in without breaking the window. But we should check just in case. Yup, best to be simple and methodical in your investigation, Sarah. Are we an apprentice? Oh, numbers. We're not there yet. Kagi. Key. It's Kagi. Hey! What's up? Is it loading or something? Hello? Mr. Game. That's... now! Yeah. Please stay away! Hey there. Settle down now. You especially, please! Okie dokie. Oh! He's like, I wanted to help. What did you come here for? Please leave, Sarah. I'm scared now. Now it's really riled up. Let's slowly approach. Please don't come any closer. I'll be mad. Now it's really riled up. Okay, fine. We're gonna talk. We're on your side. We won't do anything. What in the world happened? As if you don't know that. I won't hand over the presser. Now it doesn't want him to be taken away. Do a pincer attack. What is this? KG, let's do a pincer maneuver. Is he following my lead? He doesn't get it at all. Okay, I wanted to know. We're gonna calm her down. Please calm down. We don't intend to take him. Then please just leave. It's no good. This can't be resolved by a discussion. We're gonna lock the door. We're all in this. What are you doing? Now no one else can enter. Will you talk to us? You really didn't come here intending to take the professor? It's his head. I don't want it, girl. Right, please believe us. Since it's you, Sarah, I'll believe you. Well, can we come a little closer? You put your back to the door and stay quiet, please. Roger that. I'm sorry. Roger that. Cute. Sarah, why did you come here? I need to put her at ease. Tarahetta. I was starving. Did you find any food here? Food? I'm sorry for doubting you, but it doesn't seem there's anything to eat. She fell for it. I've been hiding here the whole time with the lights turned off. Since if the kidnappers find me, they'll just take him. Does this room have a light switch? Did no one else come? During that time, did anybody come by? No, no one! You're the first ones! I totally believe it. I love hesitation. I figured as much. If someone had entered, there'd be an uproar! I mean, if it was one of the, kidnappers. They're people. At this point, I think we can talk properly. Now, it's hard to say things like this, but... I understand. I understand that what I'm doing is wrong. I've caused all of you trouble. I shouldn't be acting like this forever, should I? What should I do? I just have to persuade her. Hang on. My earbuds fell out. Now, did you know that stairs going to the second floor appeared? Huh? You don't mean an exit? No. The rooms there are just as full of tricks. In the process of searching for you, Geen got trapped in a cage. Geen? Yeah. He was very frightened by it. That's my fault, isn't it? I know how you feel now. But you can't be exposing the people who are alive to danger too. The people who are alive that wording! Professor Mishima? He's totally alive. Talk to the head. Professor Mishima's dead now. Ah. Oh! Yes. Da 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 da. No more yes or yes. Do 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 do. Hanna musuttake opso ness. Yes or ness or ness. Sness. That's right, of course. Oh my god. I kept questioning him in the dark. But the professor didn't say a word. No matter how busy he was, the professor I knew always answered my questions with a smile. I was in the middle of painting it. A portrait of the precipitation. A portrait of the professor that I meant to give to him as a gift. But I can't give it to him anymore, can I? No. And what about it? Huh? He must have taught you many things. About art, about studying, about much more important things. Who knows Professor Mishima best out of anyone? Now, you should make it back alive and finish the painting yourself. I want to paint it! Until I finish that portrait, I can't die. Jesus. Right. It's sad. But this box, I'll let go of it now. The door's open. You should go see Rekka. Because she was the most worried. Yes. Sorry about what I said, Mr. Policeman. Well, we better give it our all too. Right. Alright, we're gonna end it here because I said so. What do you guys think about now? How do you like me now?